So, hello and welcome my friends. I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching your YouTube channel MLT Tutorial by Sandeep sir. So, if you are very new in this channel, just subscribe this channel that is, so you can get the early notification from the YouTube authority about my all the videos as soon as it is published. So before that, going to very happy news, I just discussed about the 13 diploma courses that I have earlier discussed very elaborately. What is their job and what is their job prospects and what is their requirements in the market. So you can just find the previous videos, and also you can find it in my links. That is in the description. In the description, you can find easily that. And there you can find many videos of me, so that the DMLT course is about for these 13 courses are the diploma courses. Now the DMLT stands for Medical Lab Technology, that is DRD stands for Diploma in Radio Diagnosis, that is DPT stands for Diploma in Physiotherapy, DRT stands for Radiotherapy, that means for the cancer patients who by radiation where the therapy is done. Now the DOPT is the Diploma in Optometry and Ophthalmology, DNEP is the Diploma in Neuroelectrophysiology, DFT is the Diploma in Perfusion Technology, DCLT Diploma in Cath Lab Technology, DCCT Diploma in Critical Care Technology, DDT Diploma in Dialysis Technology, DOTT is Operation Theatre Technology, DDCT is Diploma in Diabetic Care Technology, and DECGT is that the Diploma in Electrocardiographic Techniques. Now the very awaited news just come to you that the State Medical Faculty of West Bengal just announces that you can now their website is open for your application. So just look at a glance about the courses, the paramedical diploma courses. These 13 paramedical diploma courses are conducted by the State Medical Faculty of West Bengal, and your application date starts from 11th of September up to 1st of October 2020 midnight tak ye chalegi. And the website is that www.smf, that is the State Medical Faculty WB, that stands for West Bengal, that is the smfwb.in for India. Now another website is the www.smfwb.examflix.in. Now your application fee in the first round for the examination, that is rupees 500, and after the merit list is published, then you have to deposit for counseling, that is the counseling fees is rupees 100, and the all payment mode is by net banking or debit card or credit card. Now what is the eligibility? Eligibility, the primary thing is your age, that is minimum 17 years as on 1st of December, but there is no maximum age limit. Now you have to pass HS, that is higher secondary, that is 10 plus 2, from any Indian constituted boards or recognized universities, and also you should pass in physics, chemistry, biology individually. So now the total number of colleges and affiliated institutes are 74 are there. Number of government medical colleges is number 18. Number of private medical colleges where you can study this course, that is 5. Number of ESI hospitals, that is also a part of government establishment, that is number 5. And number of government institutes or hospitals which are not the medical colleges, their number is that 6. And there are many number of affiliated institutes. Among them there are some voluntary organizations like Ramakrishna Mission or Bharat Sevashram Sangh, and there are many corporate hospitals. So their number is much larger, that is 40 numbers, and the seat may be decreased or increased until unless the seat matrix is published. We cannot predict about that. So when the seat matrix will published, you can elaborately know about there is how much seat is there. And don't think that in the all the 74 institutes are providing these 13 diplomas. There are few only that they provided all the 13 diplomas, and many of the institutes provided 2 or 3 or 6 number of diplomas. So the complete information bulletin will you can receive by 11th of October, and the domicile, this is the main question, because you can apply from any Indian constituted board or recognized university, but your domicile is required only when you are going to participate in the reserved category seat. Otherwise, for the general candidates, there is no need of domicile certificate. Now the date of examination is 17th of October, that is just before the puja, from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. for 1 hour only, and the mode of examination, that is online, that is test from home, that you can do that from your mobile or laptop. So my friends, just wait for my next video where I elaborately discuss about the entire information bulletin, how can you apply and what type of question there may be. So until then, goodbye.